Hi dear Pisces, very good afternoon to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a monthly reading for all the Pisces Sun, Moon, Venus rising for the month of Feb 2026. For personal reading, healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono master class 2, links are given below. This is not a love reading or career reading or anything specific, but whatever messages will come for you guys, I'll let you know. So let's start, Pisces. I need somebody who can at my voice. No, I don't. I'm just kidding. I don't know from where it came. Maybe it's your energy. Da da da. Let's see. Overall energy for Pisces people for this month. We have the Page of Pentacles, Six of Wands, Two of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Nine of Cups. You guys are initiating something, starting something, or restarting something. You guys are quite curious. This is something that's your heart's desire, very close to your heart and soul. And you are very excited. You are feeling like this is something that you want to make work out. You want to have a successful and victorious kind of outcome in that situation. Bottom of the deck is the Nine of Cups. It's definitely your heart's desire to start or restart something and create a really beautiful and meaningful outcome out of that. Okay, for most of you it's related to your job, career, finances, or business thing. For others of you it can be related to some kind of collaboration, partnership, coming together, coming back together kind of a deal. And you guys are super open to the idea of making you guys are super open to the idea of taking, okay, my god, I'm not able to say it, of doing whatever it takes to make this thing work out. Okay, make this thing successful and victorious for you guys. This is the overall energy. My goodness, sometimes I get my record gets stuck. Anyways, let's see in the recent past what was happening, Pisces. Eight of Wands. Okay, in the recent past, you guys were like traveling a lot, or your thoughts were very fast, like all over the place, and or you guys were trying to communicate something clearly and honestly. Okay, maybe to the divine, maybe to somebody else, but you were trying your best to clear the air for yourself so that you can have that without any kind of obstacle or challenge, kind of moving forward kind of energy. Cool. Let's in the current situation what we have. Page of Swords. Right now you guys are like a student of life. You guys are learning new things. You guys are curious. You guys are ready. For some of you, you guys are taking online classes or starting or restarting your studies again, and you guys are super excited about what's going to happen next. Why am I fumbling this much today? Anxious energies. What is happening? By the end of this month, we have the Page of Cups. Curious and loving kind of energies, emotionally cute, emotionally beautiful kind of energies. Okay, some kind of maybe message, communication, apology, maybe some kind of good news. A good news is coming in for you guys for sure. Let's clarify the Eight of Wands in the recent past for you guys, Pisces. We have the Four of Pentacles, Queen of Swords, Three of Pentacles. Yeah, you guys were holding back this urge to, clear the air with someone at some point of time, but then you felt like, okay, this holding back is not working out. You guys were trying your best to clear the air with someone that was directly related to some kind of collaboration, partnership, working together. Maybe it was teamwork, maybe it was team efforts, maybe three people, like a group of people or company kind of thing was there, but things were not working out because of the lack of clarity or lack of clearing the air kind of a deal in a particular collaboration or partnership. So at first you felt like you should not speak, you should not say anything about it, let it be. And then you realize this is not working out because it was making you feel uncomfortable. So you realize you should open up, or you should at least open up to the idea of clearing the air with someone. maybe a group of people, or maybe a particular person, or it was maybe your work thing. You were doing it with yourself, and you were trying your best to not to get the clarity about it because it was working okay. And then you realized that no, you have to improve something. So you were trying to be very very honest and very very communicative in a particular collaboration or partnership, because it was required, because you were not able to take it anymore, right? The way it was going. Clearly we have clearly like we have my page of swords in the current energies. Let's clarify this. We have the seven of cups and the four of swords and the knight of cups. You guys are trying to learn new ways of healing yourself from all the problems that you have gone through till this point of your life emotionally, because you want to be emotionally very very happy and emotionally connected to your heart and soul for the rest of your life. So you guys might be learning a lot of things at the same time, like reiki healing, for example, just an example. Reiki healing, ho'oponopono, lama fera, how to connect with your heart, heart centered meditations and seven chakra meditations, and connecting with your heart energies again, letting go of the emotional traumas, inner child healing. So you guys are trying your best to learn so many things at the same time, because you are curious how to you heal yourself properly, so that you guys can be emotionally open and emotionally happy. So that's the thing that you are mostly learning. For others of you, it can be again something related to your job or career that you are planning to upgrade, and you guys are trying to figure out the best things that you can do in order to get that dream of yours come to fruition, because it's very very close to your heart and soul. Cool. Page of cups. By the end of this month we have let's clarify the page of cups here. We have ace of swords, tower, and the king of swords. You are going to get some kind of mental clarity. It's going to be an aha moment for you guys, where you guys are going to realize that the happiness that you are looking for all over the world, all over the outside world, it's actually inside of you. And it's going to make you feel overwhelmed. It's going to make you feel a little bit emotional. Oh my god. It's like some kind of major realization is happening in a very very positive way, that is going to clear all the doubts, clear all the problems, all the issues, all the not so good things that are blocking you from being happy in your life. For some of you, you guys are going to get some kind of news related to pregnancy. Good news, whether it's like you or somebody around you, of course. But for most of you, it's going to be a huge realization of the happiness that you were wanting from uh, the outside world was actually within yourself. You're going to feel like something in you is shifting in on a deeper level, on a bigger level, and you will be able to see everything just crystal clear right in front of you. This is going to be a major aha moment of your life, where you are going to realize everything that you were looking for, the happiness, the emotional happiness, is actually within yourself only. Wow. It's like something is going to trigger this kind of tower moment. You're going to feel extremely happy about something or someone. You're going to feel connected with your heart again, out of nowhere. You're going to feel like a child again out of nowhere. If you're one of those people who are not able to cry, maybe you will be able to cry, and then you are going to realize, oh my god, it's working. And I was looking in the outside world to get it work, to let it work, and finally it's happening. And it's going to overwhelm you a little bit, but at the same time you're going to feel freaking happy. This aha moment of your life is actually going to make you realize something very very big, that happiness, sadness, miseries, abundance, prosperity, whatever we are looking for in the outside world is actually within ourselves only. This aha moment is going to change your life big time. Let's see the guidance for you guys, Pisces. We have the Magician, the Ace of Wands, and the Page of Swords. Your intuition, okay. You're manifesting this energy of learning how to connect with your intuition, how to be spiritually connected to the divine and everything. Make sure you are listening to your intuition while you are learning how to connect with your intuition. Intuition is nothing but your gut telling you what you should be doing and what you should not be doing in your life, what is aligning with your path, what is not aligning with your path. Okay, so this manifestation of yours to learn new things, to connect with the divine, to spiritually grow in your life is actually going to work out in your favor if you will be able to connect with your intuition and listen to it, because you might end up exhausting yourself by doing multiple courses, multiple things, multiple story scenarios at the same time, and out of those multiple things, multiple situations, only one or two works for a particular person or situation. So you have to figure out those one or two things that you are going to feel very very aligned with, and they're going to naturally flow. You don't have to force yourself to learn them, you don't have to force yourself to do them. If they're not naturally flowing, if you are continuously feeling exhausted, you are continuously feeling I don't feel like doing it or something, that's not the path for you. Maybe not right now, if not permanently, maybe not right now. That's how you're going to feel it. Yeah, that's how you're going to figure it out. Okay, my love, let's see the last message for you guys, Pisces, for this month from the angel oracles. Love and blessings fill your life. Divine love, divine blessings are going to fill your life in a very very positive way. Harmonious connections with family members. Okay, your connections, your relationship with your family members is going to improve drastically this month. So make sure you are open to the idea of giving and receiving, and happily ever after. If you guys are married, if you guys are in a serious relationship, your relationship with your spouse, your person, is also going to improve in a beautiful way. Okay, so again, be open to the idea of giving and receiving with your heart centered energies. Okay, my love. So this is what I have for you, Pisces, for this month. Hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.